In this video, I'll show you two different ways that you can add friends on your Meta Quest 3. So the first one is using the app and the second one is using the headset. So let's start with the app. So first of all, you should have the Meta Quest app, the one that is linked with your device. Open the app and then from here you're going to tap on menu. Once you're in menu, you should have this menu appearing. And you should click on people, this. And over here you'll have the discover people, so suggestion of people you may know. These are some people who requested to be friends with you. You can confirm there. And to search for a friend, you need to tap on the magnifying glass on the top right corner. Oops. Okay. And from here you can tap on the search bar and start typing any name, whatever. This is pretty random what I'm typing, but you see, and here are the people that are matching whatever you typed up here. You can search them and follow them from here. So this is the way to do it with a smartphone, and now I'll show you on the Quest 3 what to do. Okay, so now we are on the Quest 3, and the first thing, you need to make this bar appear by pressing the Meta logo on the right side controller. Then you should see people over here. If you don't see it for whatever reason, click on App Library, and over here you should see people in this list. Once you see it, launch this app. And here it's absolutely the same as in the app. You have the same options. And if you want to search for a new person, you need to go right on top. By the way, if you see this, just click next. And you should see search for people. And from here, by clicking, you'll be able to type the name of the person. Obviously, this is probably not going to work. So yeah, whatever you type, and you see the list here. And it can go and the list can be very long. You just have to use the joystick to go down and to find the person. And once you see it, tap the follow button here. You can also start a chat if the person allow this, because you see some people does not allow to chat with. And you can also click on the three dots if you want to block a certain person or report a certain person. So this is it. This is how you add people, you add friends on your Meta Quest 3. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, type a comment down below, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.